Hi friends, it's Melissa from To The Root Health and Wellness, and I am so excited today because I am announcing my first ever giveaway, and it is a free epigenetic hair analysis test. It is a $250 value. So if you have ever wondered if your body has nutritional deficiencies, or you have food sensitivities, or mold, or parasites, or environmental things like toxins that are affecting your health, this is the test that will tell you exactly all that information and so much more. The hair analysis is one of my very favorite tools because I am all about finding the root. I am all about getting to the root of the symptoms that people are experiencing. And this gets exactly to the root. It is non-invasive. It is literally 4 strands of your hair. And from that, you get a report that is a 30+ page report of the overall state of your health. It's incredibly fascinating and so telling about so many things that are going on inside your body. Recently, I've worked with a couple of clients, and I wanted to share what they were going through to see if you can relate. I had a client who came to me with her son was having some pretty extensive behavior issues. We did a hair analysis and it came out gluten as an intolerance, 3 different places on his report. So that was pretty telling to say that gluten was causing some issues with his body. Most recently, I also worked with a client who came to me with debilitating anxiety and migraines. Mold and parasites both came up on her report. So that was really telling to say, those things that definitely could be the root cause of your anxiety, the root cause of your migraines. So it helps you to be able to look at the root. So with that $250 free kit that you are going to win, you get the kit, you get the report, then we sit down virtually and go over the report, and I help you. Look, so let's say you have mold or parasites or something that comes up. I give you suggestions and recommendations on how to get rid of those from your body. I also help you with food suggestions on what your body needs and food suggestions of what your body doesn't need. And I will also give you supplement recommendations based on what your body needs, but that's all based on what you want to do as your next steps. So how are you going to get entered into this giveaway? All you need to do is join my private Facebook group, To The Root Health and Wellness. I will put the link down below. You are then going to invite your friends and family to join the group. And when they join the group, they're going to be asked some questions. It's a quick 3 questions. Are you interested in your health? Will you be kind to others? And how did you learn about this group? Tell them to put your name, because for each person you invite, you get an entry into the giveaway. So the more people you invite, but remember, they have to join. You can invite them, but they have to join in order for you to get credit into your entry. So the more people you invite that join, the more credits you get, the more entries you get into the giveaway. So I am super excited for you to take part into this giveaway. It is from now until the 30th of October. I will announce the winner on the 31st. And just quite perhaps you could be the winner, again, of a free $250 value epigenetic hair analysis test kit. Good luck. I cannot wait to see who I could possibly help change their life with this kit. Lastly, I will say, if you want more Tip Tuesdays, be sure to like and subscribe to my page. I usually give health swaps, recipes, and natural health and wellness tips. And until next time, to you and your family's health, take care.